Supplements are important updates to the laws and information in many of our books in Books Unbound. In the new Books Unbound reader, if a book has a supplement, it will be found in the document just after the edition number of the book as a hyperlink to the supplement section. You can also navigate to the supplement through the table of contents on the left side of the reader. Once you have clicked on the supplement link and are in the supplement sections, if you click on the hyperlinks found throughout, they will take you to the section in the document that the supplement refers to. Clicking the section title will then bring you back to the supplement being referenced. Also, if you are scrolling through a book and notice a hyperlink on the section title, this is an indication that this book has a supplement information with updates. A quick pro tip here is to right-click the link and open a new tab in your browser. This way you can have the supplement open in the original document section at the same time to compare.